What's up, clarinet players? We're going to be doing the song Going Up out of the Tradition of Excellence book. First things first, we need to talk about what's going on with this music. So first off, we've got this note here. If you click on this note in Smart Music, it'll give you two options. You can click this thing to show you what note it is, or you can press this thing to tell you what the sound is. So in this case, this is an F. Notice how it says F there. This is the first space on the treble clef staff, and that is an F. Every single one of these notes will be an F. The way that you play it is shown in the diagram here. This part here is the back side of your left hand. So you're going to play the small dot on the back side. That's going to be this dude right here. Okay? So when you're holding your clarinet, cover that entire backside hole and play none of the fingers on the front side. Okay, try that with me. Try that real quick. Once you've got that sound going, and it's fairly easy to make happen the first time, make sure, let's try to talk about now how long we're going to hold these notes. So this thing is called a whole note. A whole note has 4 beats of sound to it. So when you're playing music, you'll hear a whole note as da. Okay. The whole rest is going to be 4 beats of silence. That is what this symbol means. Remember when we talked about whole rests and half rests, I said that they were kind of confusing because they look the same. Well, this one here is the whole rest. The reason why I know that is because it's underneath the line. You'll get used to the way these things look over time. There's a whole rest. It takes up 4 beats. So 4 beats of silence would sound like this. Ready, go. All right, 4 beats of silence. So this whole thing would be like, from the beginning, would go ready and ba, rest, 2, 3, 4, ba, rest, 2, 3, 4. Okay, get the idea. The accompaniment in this song is pretty rock and rollish, pretty like weird actually. I would turn that down some so it's not so loud in your ears. The my part cannot be on while you record. It's just going to be there to practice with, so you can practice with it all you want to try to match the sound, but I'd like you to record it, just you. All right, let's practice it together, okay? So clarinets up to your face. Make sure you have your hand positions right. Remember, you're only pushing this back button to play these notes. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right, so that's how the song sounds. If you can get that to happen, great. You may struggle with making a pure sound the whole time, so if you have this kind of thing happening, rest, 2, 3, 4. That's not good. We don't want those like super squawking bird noises. Stop and try it again, okay? We want to make sure it's always the same. Okay, make sure that's happening. Once you can make that work and you're ready to submit it, then hit that submit button. I'll look forward to listening to it. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.